Welcome. Welcome to the HTML tutorial. This tutorial is for complete beginner. If you wanted to learn HTML from very beginning, you can start here. So let's move on. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is one of the most widely used language in the world. It is very easy and very simple to learn. It is not a programming language, it's just a markup language. It defines the structure of a web page. It has set of tags. Using those tags, HTML can mark the content of your web page, like it can align the text of your web page, it can add bullet points, it can provide proper heading to your web page, it can create tables, it can create forms. All those things you can do with HTML. It's very easy to learn. Of course, it is just a simple and elegant way to structure the content of your web page. Basic syntax of HTML consists of tags, elements and attributes. HTML tag name are always surrounded with angle brackets. You can see this is an example of HTML tag name. This is a paragraph tag which is surrounded with angle bracket from both sides. Let's move on to HTML elements. HTML elements always contains a opening tag name and a closing tag name. The closing tag name always contains a forward slash. That's it for this slide. HTML tag. This is how it looks like. The structure of an HTML tag. You can get the idea. This is the name of the tag. It's a body tag which is surrounded with an angle bracket from both sides. This is an opening angle bracket, this is a closing angle bracket, and together they create an HTML tag. That's it. Let's move on to the next slide. This is how HTML element looks like. HTML elements contains an opening tag, a content and a closing tag. Together they create an HTML element. HTML attributes define the characteristics of HTML element. So you can see over here there is an attribute assigned in this element. It's a paragraph tag which has an attribute. Of course there is a rule about attribute. You can only assign attribute in an opening tag, okay? And you can see it has two values, the name of the attribute and the property of the attribute. And there is another rule, you must assign property in between two quotation marks, okay? And this is a total syntax for attribute, and what this attribute does, it will align this text on the right side of the page. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. In the next video I'll explain about the editors and we will create our first web page, of course. Thanks for watching, guys.